Hi, people from YouTube. My name is Magda Marin, but everybody call me Magda Matt on YouTube. And on this moment, I'm feeling really sad right now. At least my brother's okay with his kids and his wife. My son, I don't know nothing about him. His dad don't call me, don't text me, nothing. They don't have no signal, nothing. My brother don't have a house. Really sad. People, help us. Please, help us. I'm doing it everywhere. I'm doing it here on YouTube. I'm doing it on Facebook, on live. Just please, help them. And by the way, goodbye.